Good morning, guys. It's what's up, you guys? It's GoDogs4. What you guys be up to? Anything fresh, anything new, anything? So, well, I'm gonna organize probably where my video games are right over there. I'm gonna organize that because it's kind of messy, and I'm trying to find a code that I had, but I cannot find the code for some reason. I don't know why. I cannot find the code to one of the things that I need. I don't know where it is, so I have to find that code sometime. Not right away, but I need to find that code sometime. If I'm going to record something, or I have to pre-order it. I don't know how to probably pre-order it and get the code. I don't know why I do like that, but that's okay, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I hope I find it.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's GoDogs4.
Getting ready for a DUI sometime this week. I'm just getting ready for the chips, so I don't have to constantly show you guys what I have to do. So I will show you guys later what I have to do. But I'm putting stickies on one of the end of the bingo chips, so that's what I'm doing. So I will talk to you guys then. Now, you guys, we are making a board game called Secrets, you guys. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's a fun game. I used to play with my grandma all the time, and I'm going to revamp it under $20, which I spent $20 on some stuff, and you guys saw earlier what I did with the bingo chips. So these were only $1. Oh, sheesh. These were only $1, but then I got the little, I don't know what you really call them. These, replacement, reformat, these things, yeah. So we got some of them, so that's what we got. So it was actually less than $20. It was, if I take away 3 of them, because I got extras. I only got 1, so it's actually $18. A board game under $18, so that's pretty cheap, really, for the stuff that you get. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done. Now, you guys, I'm cutting the deck in half, like kind of like this. I will show you guys what I mean by that. This. So basically, you have all the numbers, and keep the jacks separate because you don't need the jacks in this section. So you cut them in half like this. So you have both 7s in the middle. So you have to make sure they're nice and straight as much as you can. And then just make sure you have at least half of the diamonds in the pile. Or whatever shape you have. At least you have to have a 7 and a diamond so people know it's a 7 and a diamond. So like this. I'll show you guys right here. So you guys see like this. Like, that's a 7, that's a 6, 5, at least have a diamond, 1 diamond in it. So, I will show you guys how to organize this when the time comes. So, I'll show you guys soon. So, I've decided to cut them, like, actually lengthways instead of actually the way that I did before. I'm going to do lengthways, so this way, kind of like right here, like in the middle, like, so it's like this, you guys. That's all the cards laying down. I will show you guys a picture of what it should look like from the head. So it goes ace to 6 of diamonds and then keeps going around. I will show you guys a picture so you guys know what I mean by that. So here's the picture of what I mean, how to organize it. So if you guys want to use this image, you guys can. That's how you guys do it. So now onto the probably not gluing because I'm going to go to work. I will work on this when I get home. So I'll talk to you guys. I'm going to eat something because I need to eat something before going to work. So I'll talk to you guys then. I just made a quick sidekicks for lunch, whatever you like to call it. That's what I'm having, so talk to you guys then. Now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I will talk to you guys when I am done work, so talk to you guys then. Hey guys, I'm just at work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. Just got home, you guys, and now it's time for glue. All these deck of cards on there. Yeah, look at that, you guys, lots of them. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So I'll talk to you guys when I start gluing. Once you have that glued, all these cards are glued on the table. You have to put out that. You don't have to put the bottom one, but I thought to put the bottom one. One should say, two hijacks are wide, one jacks remove. So you guys can put whatever you like on that, like that. But that's what I would do, my recommendation. So I'm going to cut them out. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done cutting them out. There you guys have it. All the Secrets board game is complete, you guys. Yes. You guys don't have to have these if you guys don't want to, but it's beneficial because then, in case if you're trying to explain some rules, then you guys can actually do like that. So there you guys go. That's how you make a Secrets board game.
Sequence, the classic abstract strategy game for 2 to 12 players. In Sequence, players compete as individuals or teams, using cards to place markers and connecting multiple series of matching straight lines on the board, or sequences. The goal of the game is to win, and you win by scoring your sequence before the other opponents. Players start the game with a set of markers and a hand of cards depending on the number of players at the table. Players play cards to complete a sequence, which is a connected series of 5 same-color markers in a straight line. Lines can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. This can include the 4 corner markers, which act as a wild marker for all players. On your turn, you must play a card from your hand, then place one of your markers onto a matching card on the board, so long as there isn't already a marker on that location. If your card does not have an open space on the board, this card is dead, and may be replaced by discarding it at the beginning of your turn and drawing a new card from the deck. At the end of your turn, draw a new card from the deck. But beware, if you forget to take a card before the next player ends their turn, you lose your chance to draw. There are also Jack cards with special abilities. A 2-eyed Jack allows you to place a marker on any open space on the board. A 1-eyed Jack lets you remove one marker belonging to any opponent, so long as it doesn't belong to an already completed sequence. After your turn, the next player clockwise takes their turn, and the game continues until one player or team scores the required number of sequences. The first player or team to complete the objective wins the game. With 2 players or teams, the objective is to score 2 sequences, and with 3 players or teams, you only need to score 1. Ready to play? Start by determining the number of players. 2 or 3 players can play individually. If you have more than 3, equally divide players into 2 or 3 teams. Seat players alternating around the table. Use this chart to determine how many cards should be dealt to each player in the game. Place the game board in the middle of the table and give each player or team their matching marker chips. The player to the left of the dealer goes first.
That's today's video, guys. So talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.